Treat kitchens with Pesti by applying targeted, controlled bans and treating voids so pesticides never contact food surfaces. When preparing to use Pesti Smart Pest Plan in a kitchen, start by removing all food, utensils, and dishware from treatment areas and cover any open foods and pet bowls with sealed containers. Use a hand pump or low-volume sprayer set to a fine mist and test spray on cardboard to ensure a steady, narrow stream rather than an atomized cloud. Apply a controlled band of product 2 to 3 inches wide along cabinet toe kicks, the underside edges of counters, behind and under stoves and refrigerators, and along baseboards. Never spray directly on countertops, sinks, cutting boards, or food preparation surfaces. For inaccessible voids, use a pinstream into weep holes or gaps behind appliances and under cabinets to deposit product into cracks without overspray. Allow treated areas to dry completely before replacing items, and always ventilate the room by opening windows and running exhaust fans for 10 to 15 minutes after application. Wear nitrile gloves and protective eyewear, wash hands thoroughly after handling, and label treated zones if multiple people use the kitchen so everyone knows to avoid those areas until dry. Common mistakes include spraying countertops or food contact surfaces, which risks contamination. Avoid this by always treating adjacent cracks and toe kicks, and never the food prep surface. Another frequent issue is over-application, leading to residues on floors and stored items. Solve this by using narrow controlled bands, measuring applications, and wiping accidental drips immediately with a damp cloth. The third problem is treating when food is exposed or people are present. Fix this by removing or sealing food, asking occupants to leave the room during application and drying, and posting a note that the area was treated until it is safe. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and to let contractors find new work opportunities related to projects like safe kitchen pest control. We also host an active discussion community where homeowners and professionals share experiences, tips, and questions about treatments, products, and best practices.